seamlessly integrate your soundbar with your mounted TV with the Sanus Soundbar Mount. Designed for broad compatibility, this mount attaches to the back or bottom of soundbars and works with most soundbars up to 20 pounds. Place your soundbar directly below the TV screen for a convenient and stylish setup. Post-install height adjustment creates an ideal fit between the soundbar and mounted TV, and makes space to accommodate up-firing speakers for an optimal listening experience. The included depth adjustability allows the soundbar to be positioned flush with the bottom of the TV for a clean look. Compatible with Sanus TV mounts and other UL-listed mounts, the Sanus Soundbar Mount works with a large range of TV sizes and features broad VESA compatibility. When used with a full-motion TV mount, the soundbar mount allows the speaker to move with your TV for an optimal listening experience. The easy 3-step installation takes only 15 minutes with no drilling required. To begin, assemble and install the soundbar mount on your TV. Next, attach the soundbar to the mount arms. Now, hang your TV. Use the post-install height adjustment to ensure an optimal fit between your soundbar and TV. And that's it! Your new audio setup is ready to enjoy. All Sanus speaker mounts are safety tested and feature a 10-year warranty. And we back it up with our expert customer care team. Questions? Give us a call.